Hey, hello everyone. As you can see that today I am pretending myself by doing all this as a child because in this video the point which I am going to share to you of being child is really so important and I want it to last in your mind for forever or at least for a long time. So I did all this and hope I will success in this. So let's start with our session. So, are you the person who always afraid of talking to others? Or are you the person who always hesitate to initiate a topic? Or when you are in a friends group, you always start thinking that I don't have any topic. So on what topic I must talk? Yes, it happens to you. Then definitely this session will really help you to overcome this all obstacles you face while speaking with others. So let's start. So my first suggestion to you that if you are having these three types of means, if you are hesitating while talking to others or you are afraid that you might make mistake, so let me tell you one thing, that first be positive about yourself. Yes, the very first thing is be positive. It doesn't matter that you are making a mistake or you pronounce one or two words wrong, because ultimately to eat is human. Yes, means it's by birthright of human to make mistakes and you always learn from that mistake. Yes, so please don't hesitate that you might get wrong or you mispronounce any word wrong or anyone will judge you on that. So please avoid this. Be positive about yourself. Just tell yourself that yes, I want to improve myself and I am taking this first step to improve myself. So please go ahead without all that negative thoughts that anyone is going to judge you or anyone is going to speak something about your pronunciation or any negative thoughts. So just please avoid it. So second thing is confidence. Yes, when you are negative, you don't have a confidence about yourself. But when you are positive, you must be confident about yourself. That at least have this kind of confidence that I am trying for myself. So yes, I have to speak out loud. Means I saw many of the peoples, they had many topics to say, but they just not able to say that. Why? Just because of the one particular thing, that there is a lack of confidence in them. And this only thing restricts them from for taking a further steps to improve themselves. So please avoid this. Have a confidence in yourself that yes, you can do that, and no matter if you are making mistake, it's totally alright, because in learning process every one of us will make a mistake and it's not a very big issue. Okay, if someone tells you that hey, this word is not pronounced like this but it's like that, start accepting that yes, thank you, and just that's it. No need of overreaction and overthinking on that. So first be positive that yes, I can do that, I can start it, and yes, I'm going to continue it, because I think that speaking or learning, it's not a game of 1 or 2, 3 days that you are practicing it for 3 days and you will get so fluent. No, you have to continue it. Yes, and then you for that you must have a confidence on yourself. That's it. Yes, I can do that. I can speak English very fluently. So build confidence in yourself and don't get demotivated by others' judgment or negative comments. Okay, please keep on working on yourself. And yes, third and most important point, because for only this point I am pretending myself as a child. So yes, please be child. Not like me, not like this kind of child, but yes, be child. So here my meaning is to be child is that child in a way means you must pretend as a child by your nature, not by your looking. Here I am doing this looks and all to just make this point a long lasting impression in your mind. But here totally I means be child means start accepting mistakes yourself. Means okay, if you are accepting your mistakes, so it will be good for you. Like if we saw in means you might be remembering that when you are a child, your mom used to say, honey, it's time to go bed, it's very late. Yeah, or mom will always keep on saying, means most of the time mamas are saying that honey, dinner is ready, come here baby. Yes, and you started hearing that word or that sentence again and again. That is dinner, time to sleep, it's late night, and what that makes the impression on your mind, and you started understanding the things. Yes, and after some time you started speaking out that. So this is the only thing you need to do here, is that hear a lot you can, means hear the English videos, or if you are reading any text now, please read it loud. It will really improve you, means it will really help you to improve your pronunciation as well as your confidence, and you become more positive automatically, because it develops inside you that you are go through that sentences, you know that how you are pronouncing it. So yes, it will definitely help you. And being child is, again I am repeating that, yes, start accepting your mistake. Being child means hear more than talk, and it just use a very few words, very few, in the sense I am not saying that get restricted to that words, but yes, it's not like that. If you are using a very long or very complicated words, then you are able to speak fluent, or oh my god, your communication skill is so good. No, use a simple sentences but a correct sentence. So make it sure that complicated speaker is not always a good speaker. Even a simple speaker can be a good speaker. Just the main thing while speaking is that what you are speaking should be understandable to front person. Yes, so accept this, nothing a big deal I think. And yes, follow the trick which I am saying, that child means start accepting your mistakes, listen more, and means when you are listening, try to speak it out, and you can be a copycat. Yes, you hear it right, you must be a copycat. When you are hearing anyone speaking English, please try to copy them. It kind of crazy idea, but it will really help you, because you know what your shadow does. Yes, you know, it always do what you do. So be their shadow, be copycat. Start copying their tone, start copying the way they speak, start copying their voice. Here voice, I mean a pitch and depth of the voice. Okay, so be a child, as all this thing is done by a child, that they started copying you. The means if you say one of anyone's sentence, they try to copy you. You know, we most of the time say that, see, I'm a boy, okay, see, kitten is there. So this is only the thing you need to follow, and this will really help you to overcome your obstacles, because in this I told about your positivity, confidence, and being child. When you are accepting the policy of a child, you will find yourself very easy to accept new things, to accept the changes, as well as to accept your mistakes. Okay, so we are end up our today's session, and I will soon catch you in our next session, and I hope that my all this effort will succeed. Yes, so catch you later in an upcoming session. Till that, take care of yourself.